Welcome back, guys. Once again, we got another lot walk here at Maple Motors. It's coming your way right now. Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We got a few cars that got added to our website this week. We also sold a few cars before I could list them. I did have some videos that I got done prior to those sales. You'll see them popping up later this week as previous inventory. I'll mark the video sold so you don't get confused. I don't want people getting mad, but they did. People walked in from out of state. They bought the cars. I'm not going to stop them, obviously, but hey, we're actually selling more cars than we're buying right now. The good thing is half of us are at a big show and they've already picked up 6 new cars today alone. Tomorrow I head out to another big show. I'm gonna say we'll probably drag in 30 cars over this weekend. So basically next week's update's gonna be big. Stick around for that. Let's go ahead and start this walk. I'm still gonna tell you the years, the models, and the prices of all the cars here at Maple Motors. Finance and shipping is available along with detailed pictures, merchandise. Again, maplemotors.com. Right here, 1972 Plymouth Satellite 446 pack car, and this one's priced at $28,900. Next to that, 1972 Chevy El Camino silver with the black stripes, priced at $17,900. Disc brakes, aftermarket wheels. This one's new to the website. 1966 Dodge Charger. This one's going to be priced at $24,900. Might as well take a peek. Hey, we got it open. One of my favorite things about this car is the back seat. I think it's sweet. Next to that, brand new to the website, 1966 Chevy Chevelle. This one's $28,900. Also new to the website, 1969 Chevy Chevelle. This one's black. This one here is $30,900. What about this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner? This is a real Roadrunner, guys. I know some of y'all are on there saying it's clone. It's not. I do my research. This one's a 4-speed car and it's priced $41,900. That's a weird siren. Get it, son! Right here, we got a 93 model Ford Mustang LX. This one's got the Cobra motor and the Cobra running gear. 5-speed transmission. Lowered the price, $15,900. That Charger's got a good look to it. Okay. We're gonna keep this lot walk going here. What do you think? Run down this stretch of cars? Let's go. Right here, 1970 Ford Mustang. This is a fastback clone. Somebody made it into a fastback. We'll look up under the hood. It was already open, so we'll go ahead and do that. Now this one here is priced at $27,900 with an aftermarket set of Riddler wheels. What about the Candy Apple 67 drop top Camaro, priced at $39,900. This is a supercharged 350 car. 1969 502 big block car. This is fast, probably the fastest car on the lot. We got it priced at $42,900. 1969 Pontiac Firebird next to that in green with the black interior. We got this one priced $34,900. What you think? Hot Rod Nova from 1970. We got it priced at $25,900. Okay. Pop says it's blue. I say it's purple. We got a 5.0 in the 87 Ford Mustang. Got the white interior, the white top. $12,900. That's refreshing. And the all-white edition 93 Ford LX This is a real all-white edition. They only made like 1,500 of these cars. White on the outside, white on the inside, and white top. Priced at $13,900. Guys, throughout this video, I don't have the ones that sold anymore. Obviously, the car sold, but I did get some pictures and stuff of them. So I'll just drop them in here so you can see what came through Maple Motors. I know everybody's curious. I just want to show you and go ahead and throw it on the site. I think we had, what, 4 or 5 cars sell before I could list them this week. Does happen, and I'm sure it'll continue to happen. But we'll always have an update. All right, let's go ahead and check out that showroom and the Hot Wheels room here on premises. Pops' Hot Wheels room here on premises. You can come check it out. It's a huge collection of collector cars. We have a channel, Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. You can find that below in the description. There's also a link there for you to go and watch some of his videos. Instagram, he's got it on YouTube here. I think you'll enjoy it. We'll pick a random car out of this bunch. What about this one? It's a Hornet there, 25 bucks. Also got t-shirts available. You can find those in the description as well, or at maplemotors.com. All right, guys, doing a little bit of landscaping out here. As you can see, we're going to open the lot up and have more parking here soon, and the back lot is empty. And the crowd goes silent. Yeah, we do need more cars, guys. I know. We're buying as many as we can, but they are selling quite fast. Here's another portion of our sold bay. We got a few spots in here that I can put more sold cars, but as you've seen before, I think you've seen this one, 64 Impala. Just kind of glancing around, you've seen some of this inventory in the sold bay before. You've also seen some of it on the lot. This one's been here a little bit, but sometimes we have to hold the cars a little bit longer than others. This one was listed last week. It's gone. This one you never got to see. I have the video. I was kind of a little sour about it selling so quick. Same with this one. But what do? Yeah, check this out. Pink drop top Galaxy from 1964. We sold that car for $19,900. Brand new top on it. We actually put the top on it. You'll see the video. It's coming out. But wait, there's more. We've got some more inventory up front here. And again, next week we got a large amount of cars coming in, so the next update's going to be huge, guys. I love these two trucks. They complement each other for sure. They're the same price. This one's a 1965 C10 pickup. You've seen it before. I can change the rims out if you don't like them, but this is what's on it right now, priced at $27,900. Now this one's brand new to the inventory, $350 under the hood, 1961 Chevy C10 pickup. Nice interior, nice bed, aftermarket wheels. Yeah, she looks good. She won't be here long, priced at $27,900. Got us another lineup of cars here. Let's go ahead and start. You can see some new ones that have been added to the lot. Up here in the front for $34,900, we got a 1957 Bel Air. This one's red and white with the black and white interior. Again, 4-speed, price $34,900. Check this one out. This one's a 57 model. This was a 210 package. That's for the trim level. Priced at $27,900. It's blue with the black interior. New to the website, another one. It has 1957 Bel Air. This one's black with the black interior. She's priced $27,900. This one drives good. I just got done doing it. I did the whole video today, and I'm all caught up for the week, so all your videos will be out fairly quick. Next to that, a 1972 Dodge Challenger. This one's purple, black stripes, black interior, black vinyl top, $28,900. 1975 Chevy Impala. And now, you know, most of the cars that we've had for a little bit, they have sold all in 1 or 2 weeks. It's like they flew off the lot. Now this one's still here. Somebody come pick it up. We dropped the price to $15,900. It's ready to go. The video actually turned out good because the thing drives great. This one here, 1967 Chrysler Newport. White with the black interior. Black vinyl top, 12.9. Guys, don't forget to hit subscribe, share this video. Also, what is your favorite car from the update or on the lot, period? Look below in the description for useful information about Maple Motors, including our website. It's the #1 thing, maplemotors.com. We update that every single Monday at 12 o'clock. Now, I haven't decided yet, but I may release this video on Sunday, and if I do, you won't see these cars on the website till Monday. Sometimes I give you a little early peek there. We'll walk around one more time, hit the front row and all the other rows on the lot here. Be sure to join us on other social media platforms too. We're on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. And I guess TikTok's gonna vanish here soon, so I'm not too worried about it. There's other ways to get around that. I mean, everybody's gonna go to YouTube, or they'll jump over to Facebook, and I'll still get you all the content. I gotta wash my car today. It's been raining like crazy and drove it in, but thought about washing it. Now a cold front's coming in. It looks like it's gonna rain again. We got up to 80 this week during the test drive videos. That's why I got so many done. It's so nice out. Now let me go in the showroom here. I know I skipped it all together because there's nothing available. I can show you what did sell. And again, I'm gonna put some of the cars that sold in this video and just show you, but look at this one. Sold. Came through and it sold fairly quick. I mean, didn't have no time to list it or nothing. Completely customized car inside and out. It's beautiful. Forgiato, everything. Full stereo in the trunk. Just wild. Everything in the showroom is sold at the moment. I'm just glancing over and showing you what did come through. Just like this Grand National, sold. This one here is a super nice car though. Now Jeff picked up this big boy a few weeks ago, and it gets so many compliments, so many pictures. People are always doing stuff with it. One of my uncles had just this long story about all the big boys when he was growing up, and he's seen them all at the car shows, and he could talk for hours. This one's personal ride, super nice LS car. One of Jason's rides here at Maple Motors. Custom wheels, Sandman designs. Just a beautiful car with an LS motor. Now this one back here, guys, you can call about it if you want. I don't know what they're going to price it, but it's a race car. That's why we haven't got it out and done anything with it. I mean, it's strictly a race car. If you are interested, you can call or you can come in person to look at it. We'll tell you what we know. I don't know if we'll ever get it out and put it on video. It's been sitting in here, I don't know, a couple months now, and they said, no, we're not worried about it, leave it. Pretty cool piece. This is my dad's. He wants to keep it, twin turbo vet. Motor's been completely gone through. It's one of the fastest cars I think we've ever driven. That's a lot. That's saying a lot. We've had a lot of cars here. I think they called it a R2B2. What was the motor? This one's Pops. He's getting ready to start driving it. He's waiting for the weather to clear up. It's a 1955 Chevy Bel Air LS car. That's his personal. This one's sold. Just waiting on shipping. Or whenever the guy wants to pick it up. I don't know the deal. Sometimes cars will sit around after people buy them. Y'all remember this 65 Mustang? It's sold. This one here It's also not available, but it's beautiful. 29 Ford. Pretty car. Okay, guys. We'll keep walking around the lot just for a second, and then we'll go ahead and conclude the video. Guys, I already made the test drive for these two, so you'll see them coming out later in the week. These look so good together. I mean, come on. I'm snagging a picture. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share this video. That does help me out quite a bit, guys. And don't worry, we're not going anywhere. We're buying plenty of cars. Like I said, we're already at some big shows right now, and I have 6 cars, some pretty good looking pieces coming in, and tomorrow's the big day. So they bought 6 before the big day. I know we're gonna have a lot of inventory. That's cool. We'll be going over any issues in any of the cars on the test drive videos, so be sure to watch those test drive videos. You can find a playlist called Cars Currently Available. It's below. Just come here, go into the channel, check it out. We've got 3,000-4,000 videos. I actually haven't checked. I kind of want to see that number. I try to put something out almost every day, but I do think there's a blank day here in the week. Pretty much every week. That's okay, right? Thanks again for watching, guys. Again, what's your favorite car from the update? I'm pondering on mine, but I'm gonna say a little oddball here. I'm going with the Nova, which you haven't seen yet. It'll be on here. Obviously, I'll have the video up. And second, I'm going with the 61 C10 pickup truck. I love the way it looks. Super clean. Sitting right over here. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.